Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Today this period COVID-19 rule this follow SMS. S means soap, M means marks, S means social distance. I hope all are safe, stay home, stay healthy. Now keep learning. Myself Nidhi Lal. Today we going to discuss water resource related major dams in India. Now see Salal, Bakra Nangal, Tehri, Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Hirakund, Nagarjun Sagar and Tungabhadra. Now see Salal Dam. Salal Dam is also called as Salal hydroelectric power station. It is located on the Chenab River in the Rihasi district of the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. See the map. Salal Dam. See north, south, west, east. Again Salal Dam. Now next point Bakra Nangal. It is also called as Bakra project. Bakra project, it is constructed on Satluj River. It is located in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is in North India. You know that कि सतलज प्लेस पे जो सतलज रिवर के ही it is plotted by the सी बाकरा नंगल. सी प्लॉटिंग देखिए आप लोग. और you can see that Salal Dam is firstly and second is the Bakra Dam. Next Tehri Dam. It is on river Bhagirathi near Tehri in Uttarakhand. Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India. It is the so important question related to highest dam. So highest dam is the Tehri Dam. Why? Because this system starts as the Bhagirathi and headwater of Ganga from the Gangotri glacier in Uttarakhand. It is joined by the Alaknanda river at Devprayag to form the Ganga. Its length is over 2500 km. At Haridwar, the Ganga emerges from the mountains onto plain. It is major tributaries as Yamuna, Ghagra, Ganda and Kosi. So see Tehri Dam is the position of now Salal Dam, Bhakra Dam, Tehri Dam. So are you know that Tehri Dam is the Bhagirathi river? Explanation is clear that I hope कि all are clear. Salal Dam, Bakra Dam and Tehri Dam. Next, Rana Pratap Sagar. It is on Chambal River at Rawat Bhata in Rajasthan. The dam and the power project were named after the warrior Maharaja Rana Pratap Singh of Rajasthan. It is repeated this question again. The dam and the power project were named after the warrior and Maharaja Rana Pratap of Rajasthan. And which river? Chambal River at Rawat Bhata in Rajasthan. See the map. This question always repeated in board exam because this question always repeated in board exam. It is the most important this question. Rana Pratap Sagar. See Rajasthan place. It is plotted the Rana Pratap Sagar. Now Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is located on Narmada River. Are you know that is the Narmada River near the Navgang in Gujarat? 4 Indian states Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan receive the water and electricity supplied from this dam. Now see. You can see that Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Green point is the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Now, Hirakund Dam. This dam is built across the Mahanadi River in the state of Odisha. It is one of the first major multi-purpose river valley project started after Indian independence. Now see Mahanadi. See Are you know that Mahanadi? क्योंकि the Mahanadi rises in the highland of Chhattisgarh and flow through Odisha to reach the Bay of Bengal. See, Hirakund Dam. Nagarjun Sagar Dam. This dam is built across the river Krishna at Nalgonda district in Telangana state. It is the second biggest water reservoir in India. It is the so important this question, and board is always repeated this question. Naga Arjun Sagar Dam. C. Naga Arjun Dam. Hirakund and Naga Arjun Dam. Next, Tungabhadra Dam. Tungabhadra Dam is located on the river Tungabhadra. It is a tributary of river Krishna. This dam is an Muniraba and Koppar district in Karnataka. The Krishna river rises from the western Ghat sea near the Mahabaleshwar. The Krishna river rises from the western Ghats near Mahabaleshwar. It flows into the Bay of Bengal before forming a large delta. See, because the Tungabhadra, Koyna, Ghat Prabha, Mustin, Bhima are some of its tributaries. Are you know that? Because this chapter is class 9, chapter 3rd, drainage. Already you learned this chapter. Next, chapter 3rd, again map is outline is locating Salal, Bhakra Nangal, Tehri, Rana Pratap, Sardar Sarovar, Hirakund, Tungabhadra, Nagarjun, Sagar. Your homework is locating the and labeling dams of river. River and dams. Both are homework water resource chapter 3rd. Now class start.